I know locally that are car spotters, I might, you know, drive from one parking lot around the corner and in here, but like a real ride, one that's going to be worth talking about, needs to be in a proper environment.
Cool.
So, I mean, if I was just a guy without a company and, you know, all the public exposure, I'd give more rides, but
more liability. Yeah,
the liability's like through the roof.
Cool. Well, looking forward to it. Thank you.
We're gonna do like kind of like, you know, Ken Block. Shout out to Ken. How he did Monster Energy stuff. Yeah. Where they would bring the car and do a big event. Gymkhana. Yeah. We're gonna do something like that. Awesome. It's coming. It's in the works.
Looking forward to it. Thank you.
What's going on, YouTube? So I'm in the car right now. It is 8:32 a.m. and I'm getting ready to drive over to Lamborghini of Newport Beach. They're about to have an awesome car show, and it starts at 9, so I'm gonna head over there, try to get a spot, or I don't know, I've never been there, so I'm gonna go scope it out and see where I can park and what it's like. But they're gonna have a McLaren Senna there. They also have a Centenario there, and I believe they have a few Performantes, so it's gonna be pretty cool. And I'm meeting up with a few friends, which you guys will be meeting soon. So yeah, it's gonna be a really awesome time, and I'm excited to show you guys. So I will see you guys at Lamborghini. We're pulling up right now, and already, like right in front of me, there's an Acura NSX, and over there, turn off the music, over there you can see some Ferraris, Mercedes GT, some Porsches, Lamborghinis, Huracans, everything is starting to pull in. So it's gonna be a pretty awesome show. I basically had to park 3 or 4 blocks down because parking is crazy. The amount of people that are here right now, the amount of Lamborghinis, Porsches, Ferraris, is McLaren, it's crazy. So I'm gonna walk over, and then I'm gonna show you guys what we stumbled upon, because I think you guys are really gonna like it.
Not a big deal, just a Murcielago.
Alright guys, so here it is, the first Senna delivered in the US.
Check it out, and then right there on the door it's see-through. So you can see straight through it if you're sitting down right by your legs. This is the beloved Senna. How much is it? Like $1 million?
I have no idea. I have absolutely no idea.
1.3. There you go. 1.3. So I hope all that.
Base level 1.1 plus options.
There you go. Base level is 1.3.
So, yeah.
And this is the first one delivered in the U.S.
Technically it is.
Yeah.
But Michael Fuchs said his was the first one, the green one.
Got it.
So,
where's he out of?
Fuchs is in Florida.
Okay.
Yeah, he's got a green one. So they're shipped, and this is number 3.
Number 3.
Yeah, produced.
Yeah.
Hey, Zay.
Well, there you have it, guys. It's the $1.3 million Senna, the third one in the country, I think, or in the world, and then the first, I guess, technically official Senna delivered in the U.S. Because I think the actual first one was delivered in Florida to this guy who owns a green one, but I think we met the owner, but I'm not exactly sure. No, I don't even know if that has an owner, but the guy seemed to know what he was talking about. So yeah, guys, this car show is pretty crazy. As you can see, you got Aventadors, you got Huracans, you got Alex Choi's. I think that's, I don't know whose that is, but I've seen that. That one right there. I've seen that McLaren somewhere. They're friends with like Daily Driven Exotics, which he has his Huracan over there. And then yeah, then you've got this stealing the show. But yeah, it's been a crazy show so far.
I just like. This thing is twin turbo? Huh? Twin turbo? Yeah. And then here, you can't even see me. And then right here behind me, car right here is gonna be West Bank, West_Bank. It is twin turbo bagged Lamborghini Huracan, but I don't know if you guys can even hear me right now because there's just like a shit ton of stuff going on, and you got like G-Wagons, you got Ferraris, you got Lambos, you kind of got a little bit of everything. Well, there you have it, guys. I mean, I couldn't have asked for a better car show. This was my first time coming out to a show here in LA since moving, or period, like at all. This is actually my first weekend living in LA, Laguna, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, this Newport show was awesome, and I heard there was actually like 5 other shows today. Like a Cars and Coffee, and then one at a different shop, and they're just all over the place. So this is definitely the place to be if you want to be filming car content. I got to meet Daily Driven Exotics, so shout out to Damon. I got to see the Senna. So overall, it's been a great day. Now we're gonna go back, chill, maybe barbecue, have a good time. Catch you guys next time.